Okay, so we're gonna take the water out of your old balloon. And so, oh, it's slippery because I have lubricant all over it. Let's get the water out of this one. I don't think I have very much in there, do I? I think that's all the water out of the old one. Yeah. Okay, so it should be good to come out. So we're just gonna pour. Okay, it's out, it's out, it's out, it's out. Okay, all good. All good. That one was out. This one's gonna be skinnier. I got the lube all on it already. And then we'll put this one back in and then I'll put your balloon on, okay, honey?
Okay.
It'll be okay. Here we go.
Ow, 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 ow.
There, in, all done. All done, it's quick. Feels kind of funny, hey?
Owie.
Is it owie a little bit? Oh, we're all done, sweetie. It's okay. It's okay.
Don't do it again.
I won't do it again. We're all done. I know it's a little tender. Okay, Mommy's gonna put the water in your balloon. I know. Okay, all done. All done.